Good morning, guys. Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It's a Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these lunch videos from over the years that I'll leave in the description box down below. So this morning I'm giving Matt a Gatorade Flow in the Blackberry Wave, an Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade, and of course, as always, the water cooler. I'm giving him a hot lunch today from leftovers from last night, and I'm just going to give you a quick peek because I want to keep the heat in. It's just a leftover pasta dish with chicken and veggies in like a cheesy kind of pasta sauce, and then I've got some mango, some raspberry, some red grapes, like a little fruit cup, a Nutella to go breadstick, and hazelnut dip. And then I have just some sharp cheddar from Oscar's Smokehouse left over from the weekend. So this is his lunch today. I gotta grab a fork and we'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Blackberry Wave Gatorade, a Price Chopper brand like Dr. Pepper. The wrap you guys saw me make on the spinach wrap. It's got rare roast beef, sharp cheddar, some like a salad mix, kind of a lettuce mix, and then some pesto aioli by Terrapin Ridge Farms. Some sour cream and onion potato chips. I love a sour cream and onion potato chip, so I packed up some of those. Some large black olives, and then a cheese stick. I might throw in a banana. I'm going to ask him if he thinks he'll need one. But yeah, this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Snapple apple. I did get a case of these. If you're curious, this is why I have so many of them. This is one of Matt's, I think, his actual favorite, like, Snapple flavor. And then this is a vanilla cream soda from the Price Chopper brand. The wrap today is on a spinach tortilla wrap. And I gave him some buffalo chicken, some mayo, some, like, lettuce salad mix, and some sharp cheddar cheese. Some beef jerky from Oscar's Smokehouse in the barbecue flavor. This is carrots and celery with ranch. These containers have been working out pretty well from TJ Maxx. And then I also gave him a couple little Reese's mini trees in milk chocolate and white chocolate as a little treat. But this is his lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I did the Yum Box today with some hard salami, just a cut up mozzarella cheese stick, some hard boiled eggs with some everything but the bagel seasoning, some large black olives, some balsamic vinegar flavored Triscuits, and then for something sweet I just did some mini little Oreos. Sometimes I'll put like a sweet treat in here, but I put it in here today. I'm giving him an apple Snapple, a grape crush, and of course, as always, his main source of drinking is the water cooler. And then these I talked about in my last lunch video, I think. They're the Skippy PB and Jelly Minis. They're on white bread. They also make them on a wheat bread option. I grabbed these a while back because I had a coupon, and Matt says they're just okay. So I probably will not be repurchasing them. I'm always looking for new little things like this I can throw in his lunches. But he said they're just okay, so I'm not going to buy them again. And then I also have a chocolate chip chewy dipped granola bar for like a morning snack or whatever. But anyways, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, getting ready to pack up my husband's lunch, and today I'm giving him an Arnold Palmer iced tea lemonade, a Snapple apple, and the sandwich is on like a really good hearty Italian bread with buffalo chicken, some lettuce, and some jalapeno aioli with Swiss cheese. It's like a really hearty bread. Some Cape Cod salt and pepper chips, like the kettle cooked chips. One of these Dole mixations, which is like a sort of like a jello with different fruit in it. This one is like the cherry flavor. And then some of the peach raspberry like crumb topped bread from the Fresh Market. It's sort of like I don't know how to explain it, like a blueberry bread, but it has raspberry and peach. But anyways, this is his lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches. Once again, I have an entire playlist of these videos linked down below from over the years. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.